Hi, I'm Bernd, Head of Product at magicplan. In this video, I want to talk to you about some changes we're introducing to our floor plan editor. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll notice is a completely new look, and we're going to go through all of the changes in this video. One update that you actually can't see is that we changed the way you interact with the floor plan. We're introducing these changes based on your feedback. The main concern you raised is that it was far too easy to make unintentional changes to your floor plan. Up until now, moving something on a floor plan was possible by simply touching and dragging anywhere on the screen. With the new version, nothing will move unless you select it first. To move this table, for example, I need to tap to select first, and now I can move by dragging. A second change you'll notice is navigating between rooms. This is now performed with single taps. To see all rooms, I simply tap outside of the floor plan. So now how do you move a room? To move a room, you need to long press on the room. This will select it. You can see all the actions you can perform on the room, and it can be moved by dragging. All of these interaction updates will help prevent any unintended changes and keep your dimensions locked in. On tablet, you'll notice that the action menu is now located on the left. This maximizes space on the canvas and makes it really easy to use the app with two hands. On phones, the action menu is still located on the bottom of the screen with a simplified layout that also maximizes space. Now let's look at the new features we're introducing, the View and Floor Switcher. The View Switcher lets you easily switch between 2D, 3D, and elevation. Up until now, 3D was only available when you had an internet connection. Now 3D is available offline as well. The next new feature we're introducing is the Floor Switcher. The Floor Switcher lets you navigate between different floors and also create new floors without leaving the editor. Before we end the video, let's briefly talk about the Details panel. You'll see a new button that lets you access details, photos, notes, and forms for any element selected. So that's the new floor plan editor. If you have any thoughts, please leave your comments below or reach out to our success team. All of these changes will start rolling out at the end of November. Thank you. Bye.